Welcome back to another episode. Okay, continuation from gravitational field. I have a question on the board. A satellite moves in a circular orbit of radius 4r around the Earth. The acceleration of the satellite in terms of g is... Now this is a jump question and it's very simple. Very, very simple. A satellite moves around the what? The Earth. Of course, you should know that the satellite is moving with a force around the Earth. Okay, we are going to do a little bit of comparison. All right. We know that from Newton's law of universal gravitation, that the force is equal to the gravitational constant, let's say mass of the Earth, mass of the satellite. Okay, now we are using this as mass of the Earth over the distance between both bodies, that is square of the distance. Okay, all right, the distance is what? 4r. So therefore, raised to the power of what? 2. Okay, this is mass of the Earth. Let's put subscript E. Okay, now this is the word gravitational force, universal gravitational force. If this is it, and also we know that from Newton's law of motion, second law of motion, that what? Force is equals to what? Ma. What are we looking for right here? We are looking for what? The acceleration of the satellite. We are looking for acceleration, which is what? A. This is acceleration. In terms of what? G. So in other words, we can say that force is equals to force, of course. So that means we just equate these two. Since we are looking for what? Acceleration. That is Ma is equals to what? G, mass of the Earth, mass of the satellite, all over what? The distance. The distance is what? 4 raised to the power of 2 is what? 16 arrow raised to the power of 2. This is what? The mass of the object. That is the satellite. We both cancel out. So therefore, A is equals to what? G, mass of the Earth over what? 16 arrow squared. But this is not the answer. They said in terms of what? G. More reason you need to subscribe to the YouTube channel, because we have explained this concept in my YouTube channel. Okay, now see. I can also say that acceleration is equals to G n over what? Arrow square times what? 1 over 16. These two, they look alike. They are the same, no changes. But you know that, you ought to know, for those of you on my YouTube channel, that what? Acceleration is also, acceleration due to gravity, which is G, is also equals to what? G n over what? Arrow square. That is the relationship between what? Acceleration due to gravity and what? Universal gravitational constant. This is the relationship. So therefore, we just do what? Substitute. Everything here is equals to G. So therefore, acceleration is equals to, that is G times what? 1 over 16. Acceleration is equals to what? G over what? 16. It's an objective question, and the answer is what? C. It's very simple. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're on TikTok, make sure you hit the follow button. I remain your favorite tutor. Thank you, and God bless you.